Kaway-kaway naman mga friends from Somerset. Thank you guys for coming here today. Were you guys here last year? Yes.
Somerset pala taglagay.
Yeah, I can remember. It was an amazing performance. And how many songs are you guys playing today?
We prepared 4 songs for everyone.
Nice. And just want to find out, do you guys perform anywhere else, or like do you have a platform we can download your song or stream your music?
We have a Facebook page and Instagram page called Tito Ken and Friends.
Nice. So go there and check para makita niyo po ang mga performances ng Tito Ken and Friends. And do you wanna introduce the band members po?
Oh yes. I'll-introduce ko lang po yung mga bandmates ko. At saka ano pala, we often play at Susan's Oriental Kitchen in Yeovil. Shout out kay Ate Susan. Start ko yung ang aming gwapong bassist, Tito J. Ang Jericho Rosales ng Baguio. Palakpak po kay Tito J. Tapos yung guitarist po namin si Lloyd. Siyang Bruno Mars ng Dumaguete. Kaway naman dyan.
Sana all Bruno Mars.
At ang isa pa naming guitarist si Mr. Felipe. Ang Harry Styles ng Tarlac. At last but not the least, our multi-talented drummer, si Koy. Ang Joshua Garcia ng Davao. Palakpakan naman dyan.
Okay, thank you. So you guys can continue prepping and do your sound check. Okay. Okay, sige.
Alam kong balak mo, dahan-dahan mong mahaluin ang ugali mo. Di mo nakikita ang iyong ginagawa. Di mo nakikita na ikaw ang masama. Isipin mo, ayokong mag-isa, ayokong malungkot. Sabihin na lahat sa'yo. Bakit ba bilang naging ganito ang buhay ko? Di mo nakikita ang iyong ginagawa. Di mo nakikita na ikaw ang masama. Isipin mo, ayokong mag-isa, ayokong malungkot. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Aalis na
Salamat po.